So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tutormania. In this video I am going to show you how you can use Gemini AI on your PC. So let's get started. First of all, what you have to do, you have to open your web browser. So after that, if you want to continue in normal mode, it's up to you. I'll go for private one. Now here search google.com. After you have entered Google, search Gemini AI. Now here open the first link. Now first of all, what is Gemini AI? Basically, it is an AI developed by Google which is used for multi-purpose. You can ask anything you want from Gemini AI, or you can ask him to create random imaginary pictures. You can do anything you want on Gemini AI. So if you want to sign up, just tap on sign up. Now here it will ask you about your Google account. Just add it. Now tap on chat with Gemini. Here it will ask you about terms and conditions. Just scroll down and press I agree. Again tap on continue. And that's it. That's how you can sign up on Gemini AI. Now here I'll show you how you can use it. Just tap this bar here. Write any question you want. It will answer you. You can see I am asking the question here and Gemini AI is generating the answer. It has generated the answer that it is created by Google. Now I'll ask him for images of some moon and it will generate some images. And that's it. That's how you can sign up or use your Gemini AI on your PC. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. See ya.